Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, first of all, let me congratulate all you students to have successfully completed semester 3. Now, as you are the students of semester 4, friends, first of all, let's have a look at the syllabus which we are going to study in this semester. Friends, as you know, we are all the students of special English. So, here you will study one paper of foundation course in English and 3 papers of special English. Okay, so let's begin with foundation course, semester 4, Saurashtra University 2021. So, friends, the title of the course is Foundation Course in English, and the text which is prescribed to you by Saurashtra University is Wings. Okay, Wings is published by Orient Black Swan, published in 2018. You will study the portion of semester 4 from this text, okay, and 40 marks are assigned to this textbook which you will study. Okay, apart from this text, you will also study some little portion of grammar and composition. In grammar, you will study this reported speeches, that means direct speech and indirect speech, right? Friends, when you were studying in schools, you studied this, how to convert the direct narration into indirect narration. Okay, so that you will study here, and 10 marks of weightage is given to this topic. Next topic here is expansion of an idea, right? Here one idea is given to you and you have to expand that idea, means you have to elaborate that idea. Say for example, honesty is an idea, right? You have to write 2-3 paragraphs on this idea, honesty, right? So bravery is an idea. You have to write a small essay, something like an essay here, and 10 marks are assigned to this topic. And the third topic here in grammar and composition is resume or CV, curriculum vitae, or how to write an application, right? Friends, when you finish your graduation and post graduation, after that you will have to apply. If you want to get a job somewhere, you need to write an application. Okay, you need to write your CV, curriculum vitae. So how to apply, how to write that application later, and how to write that CV, that you will study here, and 10 marks are given to this topic also, right? So total 70 marks, 40 marks for the text, wings, and 30 marks for grammar and composition as far as foundation course is concerned. Now let's move ahead to see what you will study in paper number 8, 9 and 10. Friends, when you were studying in semester 3, you studied paper number 5, 6 and 7, right? So now in this semester, you will study 3 more papers, paper number 8, 9 and 10. The title of paper number 8 here is Indian Writing in English 1. Okay, why 1? Because next semester, in semester 5 and semester 6, you will study Indian Writing in English 2 and 3. So to begin with, in this semester, a new kind of literature is introduced here, Indian Writing in English. That means English literature, or the literature written in English language but written by the Indian authors, right? So in this paper, you will study not the British authors, not American authors, you will study Indian authors who have written literature in English language. Okay, that's why the title is Indian Writing in English, right? Here in this paper, as you can see here on the screen, you will study two texts. Okay, one is a very popular novel written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is an Indian author, Indian novelist and a short story writer. Friends, you must have heard about Malgudi Days, right? Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories written by R.K. Narayan. This is the same author. Or you must have watched the movie. The title of that movie, Hindi movie, is The Guide. Okay, so that movie in which you find the main actor Dev Anand, right? So this movie is also an adapted version of the novel The Guide. It is a very interesting novel written by R.K. Narayan. So that you will study. Here 35 marks are assigned to this particular novel. Another play which you will study in this paper is Hayavadana. Hayavadana again is a play written by Girish Karnad. Okay, Girish Karnad is a very popular Indian artist, actor, director and a dramatist, right? So he has written many plays. You will study Hayavadana in this paper, paper number 8. So two texts, both carry equal marks, 35 marks, right? Let's move ahead. Paper number 9. The title of this paper is English Classics. Classics means great works of art. Okay, so here you will study two works of art which are considered as classics in English literature, published during the Victorian era. Victorian age, that means from 1830 onwards, 1830 to 1900, this period of 70 years, friends, it is known as the age of Queen Victoria. During this age, popular novelists, they published very popular novels and short stories. So in this paper, you will study Victorian literature, right? And particularly the focus here is on these two texts. The Mill on the Floss, written by George Eliot. It is a novel, and In Memoriam, a poem written by Lord Alfred Tennyson, right? So these two texts again, they carry equal marks. 35 marks are assigned to each text. Okay, now let's move ahead to understand next paper, and that is paper number 10. In your previous semester, you studied the study of literature 1, and in this semester you will study this paper. The title of this paper is Study of Literature 2, right? Here you will study the same textbook which you studied in the previous semester, semester 3. The title is An Introduction to the Study of Literature. This book written by William Henry Hudson, right? It's written by Hudson, and in previous semester you studied chapter 1, 2 and 3. In this semester you are going to study the next 3 chapters, that means chapter 4, 5 and 6. In chapter 4, this chapter is devoted to the discussion of novel. Okay, so here you will study the difference between novel and drama. You will also study the important elements or features or characteristics of novel. You will study the importance of plot in novel, importance of characterization in novel. Okay, what is the relationship between plot and character? What is the importance of dialogue? All these things you will study. Humor, pathos, okay, how pathos is presented in fiction or novel, okay, the type of historical novel you will study. You will also study novel as the criticism of life, and these topics as you can see here on the screen. In next chapter, chapter number 5, this chapter is devoted to the discussion of drama. Okay, what the drama is, what are the elements of drama, that you will study here. How drama is dependent on stage condition. Okay, that you will study. Importance and types of plot in drama, importance of characterization in drama. Okay, different types of plot in drama, features of dramatic design, parallelism, contrast, dramatic irony. Okay, all these things you will study. Different types of drama, and drama as the criticism of life. That again is very important here. In last chapter, chapter number 6, this is more important considering your next semester. In next semester, semester 5 and 6, you are going to study criticism in detail. So this is the foundation of that semester 5 and 6. In this paper, you will study what criticism is, the definition of criticism, the functions of criticism, types of criticism. Okay, you will study criticism as literature. Okay, you will study historical aspects of criticism. Okay, you will also study problems of the valuation of literature. All about criticism, basic things you will study here in this paper, right? So this is the syllabus of paper number 10. In paper number 10, you will study 3 chapters, chapter number 4, 5 and 6, right? And the title of this book is An Introduction to the Study of Literature. So friends, I hope the syllabus is clear. If you have any doubts, do contact me. Thank you very much.